We're in الدرس العشرون of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt. This is lesson 20 of the connectors. And here we are looking at Tamrin Khamsa, drill 5. Here we have an authentic text. And in this text, we're going to add connectors from those connectors that we've learned throughout and from the beginning of this course. Now, because this is an authentic text, it's not going to reflect all of the connectors that are in the past 4 lessons, even though lesson 20 is a review lesson of lessons 16 through 19. Now, this is also going to reflect connectors that are frequently used over and over again and may not be some of the more complicated ones that we've recently seen. So, nevertheless, it's a good exercise because it is an authentic text and it uses some of the connectors that we've learned. Just remember that you will be using connectors from the beginning of this lesson, of this book. So I'm going to help you with some of the Arabic, and then you're going to fill in the blanks with the connectors that you see as appropriate. في بعض الأحيان تتوهم بلانك وصلت إلى طريق مسدود لا تعد أدراجك دق الباب بيدك لعل البواب بلانك خلف الباب أصم لا يسمع دق الباب عدة مرات بلانك حاول بلانك تدفعه برفق بلانك اضرب عليه بشدة كل باب مغلق لا بد بلانك ينفتح اعلم بلانك كل واحد منا قابل مئات الأبواب المغلقة ولم ييأس بلانك كنا يئسنا لظللنا واقفين أمام الأبواب. So we could translate this paragraph this way. Sometimes you might imagine that you have arrived at a closed road. Don't go back the way you came. Knock on the door with your hand. Perhaps the doorman who is behind the door cannot speak or hear. Knock on the door several times and try to push it gently. Don't strike it with force. Every door that is locked must open. Know that every one of us has met with hundreds of locked doors and has not despaired. And if we were to despair, we would surely have remained standing in front of the doors. Okay, in the second paragraph here, we have اعلم blank من blank blank تضيع وفي قلبك إيمان بالله blank الدنيا آلة ضخمة يجب blank تضع فيها جهدا لتدور وتعطينا blank الممكن blank نعطي أول الأمر ولا نأخذ فيجب blank نكرر العطاء blank الجهد blank العمل blank تتحرك الدنيا blank تمنحنا بعض blank نريد. Okay, so we could translate it this way. Know that it is impossible to lose when belief in God is in your heart. Indeed, this world is a big tool. You must apply to it effort in order for it to turn and give to us. It is not possible to simply give a first try and not take them, i.e. the means. It is necessary to repeat the measure and the effort and the work such that the world moves and gives us some of what we want. So this is from Jaridat al-Akhbar, from the newspaper Al-Akhbar, by Mustafa Amin. So you can now fill in those blanks that you feel maybe you have a better handle on, and hopefully that will help you complete the exercise. مع السلامة.